Hello everyone, my name is Maciej Wlazly, and today I will explain the procedure of English materials development. I will briefly go through the main stages, from selecting materials to evaluating them. So, materials development is important because it helps make learning more effective. And there are four main stages. We got selecting, designing, adapting, and evaluating materials. And it's also like materials development is a systematic process of creating and refining instructional resources. And it needs to align with curriculum goals and students' needs to produce desired learning outcomes. And for the first step, we've got selection and gradation. In these two parts, we choose materials based on students' needs, level, and interests. And then we organize them from easier to more difficult, which is called gradation. Next, is designing materials. In this stage, we create content that fits the learning context. So we need to follow steps like analyzing the needs, designing, developing, and applying the materials. After that, we need to adapt materials. So this means adjusting existing materials to better fit students. For example, we can add something, remove, simplify, or reorder the content. And for the last step, we've got evaluation, which can be divided into two parts: predictive evaluation and retrospective evaluation. So in this stage, we check if the materials are effective. So this can be done before using them for predictive evaluation or after using them, retrospective evaluation. And to support the development, we can use research methods. So this includes surveys, interviews, observations, and testing materials in real classrooms. And research shows that materials should match students' needs and context. And basically, teacher-made or adapted materials are often more effective than general textbooks. And here we've got some simple tips. So it's important to understand students' needs, adapt materials when necessary, and use different media as well. And we also should always ask students for the feedback. So to conclude, materials development is a continuous process, including selecting, designing, adapting, and evaluating. And these all steps help make the learning more effective. That's basically it from me. So thank you so much for the attention.